Students, today we will discuss on benzene sulfonic acid. This is the structure of benzene sulfonic acid. This is the benzene ring. 1H can be replaced by this SO3H group. So, introduction. These are the derivative of hydrocarbons. Since benzene sulfonic acids are the derivative of hydrocarbons, and by replacing the hydrogen atom by univalent sulfonic acids, these are obtained by replacing the hydrogen atom by univalent sulfonic group. This is the sulfonic group. So this one hydrogen atom of benzene ring can be replaced by this SO3H. Now these benzene sulfonic acids can be prepared by the direct sulfonation method. And sulfonating agent are concentrated sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide sulfuric acid, oleum means fuming sulfuric acid in nitromethane or in pyridine, etc. So this benzene sulfonic acid can be prepared by the direct sulfonation method. And sulfonating agents are concentrated sulfuric acid, sulfur trioxide in sulfuric acid, oleum, that is the fuming sulfuric acid in nitromethane and pyridine, etc. So these are the sulfonating agents. Now the preparation of benzene sulfonic acid. In the benzene sulfonic acid, their direct sulfonation takes place. Now this benzene is react with fuming sulfuric acid. So this is the oleum, or it is called the fuming sulfuric acid. Now the sulfuric acid H2SO4. Now this SO3H. Now this is the sulfuric acid H2SO4. Now this is H and this OH. And this H can be replaced by this SO3H group to form the benzene sulfonic acid. Similarly, this benzene, when react with concentrated sulfuric acid at 80 degrees Celsius, it removes water molecule and to form the benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the direct sulfonation method, and it can be prepared from the fuming sulfuric acid, that is from the oleum, or concentrated HCl4 at 80 degrees Celsius. So this is the preparation of benzene. Now mechanism of this formation of electrophile. In this reaction, electrophile is sulfur trioxide. In this method, the electrophile is sulfur trioxide, and it is produced as when 2 molecules of H2SO4 is equal to SO3 SH3O plus H minus. This is the electrophile. So this is the formation of electrophile. Now second step is electrophile attack on benzene. This electrophile SO3 is attack on benzene. Now this is the benzene. This bond is transferred on this carbon. This carbon becomes negatively charged, and this carbon becomes the positive. So this is the benzene ring, and this SO3 attack on this benzene to form this intermediate. So this is the part of intermediate. First step is the carbonyl ion or intermediate is stabilized by resonance. Now this bond is transferred in between these two carbons, and this carbon carries a positive charge. Now when this bond is transferred in between these two carbons, here double bond is formed here, and this carbon carries a positive charge. So this is the resonance stabilization of this carbon ion. Now the next step is the proton is removed from the carbon ion. So first this proton is removed, and this removed proton can be accepted by this SO3 group. When this proton is removed, this bond is transferred in between these two carbons and to form this double bond. So this is the formation of double bond. Right? Now this removed proton can be added to this SO3 group. This one electron is given to this proton and to form the SO3H. So this is the formation of benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the mechanism for the benzene sulfonic acid. So next part is the chemical reaction. So first chemical reaction is the salt formation reaction. When benzene sulfonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form the salt, and this salt is called as the sulfonate. So this is the benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. That is the benzene sulfonic acid. This reacts with this NaOH. Now this SO2OH. This SO3H can be replaced as SO2O, that is SO3H. Now this OH replaced by this N. This OH can be replaced by this N. So we get the SO3N. SO3N. Right? So this is the salt, or it is the formation of sulfonate. This SO2ON, this H and this OH combined to form this water molecule. So when benzene sulfonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, it gives the salt, and this salt is called as the sulfonate. Now the next reaction is the formation of sulfonyl chloride. When benzene sulfonic acid reacts with phosphorus pentachloride or thionyl chloride, it gives sulfonyl chloride. When benzene sulfonic acid reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5, or thionyl chloride, it gives the sulfonyl chloride. Now this is the benzene sulfonic acid. Now when this reacts with this phosphorus pentachloride, this OH can be replaced by this 1Cl. So remaining P and 4Cl. Now this P, this 1O and 3Cl to form the POCl3, 1H and 1Cl combined to form the HCl. So when this benzene sulfonic acid reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, it gives this sulfonyl chloride, POCl3 and HCl. But when this reacts with SOCl2, this O is combined with this SO to form the SO2. This H combined with this Cl to form the HCl and 1H. So when this oxygen atom combined with this SO to form the SO2, this H combined with this 1Cl to form the HCl, and in place of this OH, there 1Cl is placed to form the sulfonyl chloride. The next reaction is formation of ester. Now in this reaction, benzene sulfonic acid does not react directly, but it reacts via the sulfonyl chloride. That is, this benzene sulfonic acid cannot react with this ethyl alcohol, but when sulfonyl chloride reacts with ethyl alcohol, it gives the ester. So this is the formation of ester. So this is the benzene sulfonyl chloride react with this ethanol. This is the ethanol. To form the ester. Now the next reaction is formation of amine. When benzene sulfonyl chloride second with the concentrated ammonia, this benzene sulfonyl chloride second with the concentrated ammonia to form the benzene sulfonamide. So this is the benzene sulfonyl chloride. It's second with the ammonia. In place of this here, the NH is placed to form the sulfonamide. So it is the benzene sulfonamide is formed. So this is is the next reaction, formation of amide. Now, the next part of chemical reaction is replacement of sulfonic group. That is, replacement of sulfonic group means this SO3H group can be replaced by the hydrogen group, cyanide group, hydrogen atom, or amine group. So this is the replacement of sulfonic group. Now, the replacement of sulfonic group by hydroxyl group, that is the SO3H group or SO3Na can be replaced by hydroxyl group. Now, when this benzene sulfonic acid or its starch, that is the sulfonate, react with NaOH or fused with NaOH, it gives sodium phenoxide first. It gives first sodium phenoxide. So first it gives the Na2SO3 and H2. So this is the formation of sodium phenoxide, ON, right? Plus one water molecule. Now when the sodium phenoxide reacts with hydrochloric or hydrolyzed with HCl, it gives phenol. So this is the function of phenol. So when sulfonic acid group is replaced by hydrogen group, it gives the phenol. So this is the formation phenol. That is the when sulfonate, so in the sodium salt of benzoic acid, sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid, sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid fused with NaOH, it gives the phenol. Now the next step is replacement by cyanide group. Now this again, sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid react with sodium cyanide to form the phenyl cyanide. Now there is a formation of this Na2SO3, this formation of Na2SO3, and in place of this SO3Na, that Cl is replaced to form the phenyl cyanide or benzonitrile is formed. So therefore, this sulfonic group can be replaced by cyanide group. The next reaction is replacement of sulfonic group by amino group. So in this reaction, when the sodium sulfonate or sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid react with this soda amide, react with this soda amide, NaOH, this is the soda. It gives this aniline. It gives aniline. So this Na2SO3 is formed. This is the plus Na2SO3. So when the sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid react with the soda amide, it gives the aniline. Now the next reaction is the replacement of sulfonic group by hydrogen. That is this SO3H group can be replaced by H. When this SO3H group can be replaced by H, it gives the benzene. When this is hydrolyzed with water, this O, this H, and this H for benzene. So we will do this H2SO4. So this is the formula of H2SO4, and this is the benzene. So when SO3H group, that is the sulfonic group, can be replaced by hydrogen, it gives the benzene. That is, when benzene sulfonic acid is hydrolyzed with water, it gives benzene. So these are the chemical reactions of benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, thank you.